So I wanted to do a quick breakdown of Tesla stock in this video, going over what it's looking like right now as of the end of Thursday, March 16th here in beautiful 2023. So if you guys find value in the video, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and if you like these quick breakdowns, let me know in the comments. I might do more of these, and with that being said, let's get into it. So check it out. Today when I'm filming this, again on Thursday the 16th, Tesla ended up going up 2% on the day, up about $3.68, well I guess exactly $3.68. It closed at $184, and we have been playing, like I've been saying on the channel, guys, we've been playing in this range between $163-ish to about $180, $182. You guys can see that right here. We were trading within that range, and now we're more to the top. We're actually starting to break out, but we've been trading in it for the past week roughly. And looking back here a couple weeks ago, actually about a month and a half ago, almost 2 months ago, back in January, Tesla was trading in that same range from 163 to about 180, 182 for a couple of days. And we since, well, at that point, we broke out of it. Then we pulled back down towards 163. We played in the range again for the past week here. Now we're starting to break out. You guys can see, well, we're not fully breaking out, but we did close above 184, and as of now, when you're watching the this video, the markets are open. Let me know in the comments where Tesla's at. If it's above 185, 190, that'd be very good for the bulls. But right now, it's not. It's at 184. In fact, we're still under the highs here from, let me show you here, from a couple days ago. Let me pull it up. 5-day, 5-minute. Yeah, you can see 185 on the 15th of March. That was actually yesterday, right? Recently, or maybe the 13th, 14th. Either way, that is where it peaked. So we did not break out of that yet as of now when I'm filming this video, and that level needs to break. If we do break that level, we start to break out of the range on the 4-hour chart, going back to it. If it wants to load, come on, guys. There we go. Let me zoom in. You guys can see if we start taking out 185, also the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart here, forgot to mention that. That's right at 185, 188. If we start getting out of there, then we could start filling the gaps to the upside. We have one really prominent one at about $200, which was the high from the beginning of this month. After that, we have roughly 212. You can see if I draw that out, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see 212, that was the high from the end of February. If that were to break, 218 could be right around the corner. So there could be more upside on Tesla, but it's not there yet. We got to break 185 and preferably 188. So I'm going to set 2 alerts here, guys. Then we'll wrap up the video. I'll set one at $188. And I'll put another one here. Let me do it quickly for you guys. Mark is that we're above 180, maybe 85. Let me do that. Mark is that we're above 185. And I don't know why the alerts are not registering. Oh, there we go. 188 just popped up. But yeah, those are some quick thoughts on Tesla, guys. And again, let me know in the comments if you want me to do more of these quick videos. And obviously, I'll have longer content. But if you want me to do a little 4 or 5 minute videos sometimes throughout the week, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe as well. And if you haven't gotten up to 17 stocks from Moomoo, it's free money, guys. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. If you deposit at least $100, you get another 4 free shares of stock plus 2 shares of either ticker symbol AI or BBAI, which is limited time, guys. That's until the end of March. And get this, if you deposit at least $1,000, you get another 10 stocks, totaling 17 free stocks. So yeah, if you want some free money, guys, which who doesn't, and you want to help out the channel, use that link down below. Use that Moomoo link. Check out the Patreon as well while you're at it. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.